portable air conditioner is a simple but powerful way to beat the summer heat, especially if you don't have central AC at home. Best portable air conditioners listed in this video are not in any exact order, so watch till the end of this video to find out which portable air conditioner is the best for you. And check out product links in the description below for updated price and more information.
First off, NewAir portable air conditioner. Next up, Black & Decker portable air conditioner. Next up, Evapolar evaCHILL Personal Evaporative Air Cooler and Humidifier. If you are interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, check out product links in the description below for updated price and more information. And now let's push ahead with our list. Next up, Honeywell portable air conditioner. Last but not the least, Global air conditioner.
Check out product links in the description below for price, customer reviews and more information of these best portable air conditioners. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel to get notified of our upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own review as well as comments, questions, or disagreements about these best portable air conditioners.